happening?
Welcome to another episode of the Disney Beams. I'm Sherry.
And I'm Gooch.
And Josie's in there watching Three Caballeros.
The Three Caballeros.
We see the Caballeros. They say we are birds of a feather. Okay. Sorry we haven't communicated a whole lot lately.
We've been a little busy.
We've been busy with Josie's dance
You
and
haven't been
cheer.
feeling well. Finally, you're starting to kick the crud.
I'm finally starting to kick the crud after about 2 weeks. I mean, 2 weeks ago, I was literally just like, and all last week, I felt horrible.
She was like,
yeah, I mean, I was.
She was like right off of AMC.
Okay, let me just say, you know, you're sick and you're tired when you go to pour NyQuil in your cup and you pour it in your hand instead. That
happened.
It really did.
So we're glad Cherry's starting to feel better.
Yes.
And human.
Yes, indeed. So why do we have this video today? We need to find out.
We got some mail.
We need to find out.
Wait for it.
What's in the box? This is like the most ginormous Mickey's Mystery Box we have ever received. I'm like,
I feel like I could almost climb inside of this box.
Holy crap. Josie probably could.
Yeah, we could pack her away and ship her to Disney World.
So, our usual disclaimer, we are not sponsored by Mickey's Mystery Box. This is a monthly box that I purchased myself. I purchased the Spoonful of Sugar Box.
Apparently, it's
which is apparently
spoonful of a pound of sugar.
Yeah, which is supposed to be
5 pound bag.
Which is supposed to be their small box, but we got a big box this time. I don't know what's going on with that. Maybe it's just a big item in it.
It's a big box.
It's a big box.
So let's find out. Now we have broken the tape.
We have not looked
inside.
But like I said, we are not sponsored in any way. We are on their website. One of our videos is on their website, and they have been fantastic with us. So
wonderful people.
Yes. So we might have to figure out something with this, but let's go ahead and
find out what's in the box.
Unbox the magic. Oh, first thing. Whoa! Oh my goodness. Okay. Yes. Okay. So the first thing, we got a park map.
For Food and Wine.
For Epcot Food and Wine Festival, which...
Pretty sweet. We don't have that one.
Yeah, we're not going to be able to go this
I know, but we'll miss it by like a few weeks.
Yes.
Literally.
Yes, our trip is in, what, 46 days?
Yes, the week after Thanksgiving is the week we'll be there.
Yep, so
we'll be there for Christmas party.
Yep. So
let's find out what else is in the box.
We got an address on there, so...
Yep. We get pull that first thing out of there. There you go.
Oh, wait a minute, here. As is tradition.
Yeah, as is tradition.
I don't think it's going to stay on there.
I'll make it work.
Yeah, you're going to make it fall off. So we do have something ginormous in here.
So get that first thing.
Okay.
The thing right there on top.
Oh my goodness.
That looks like something for Cherry.
It is something for me. Oh my goodness. Okay, so it is a bag. It is a purse. Oh my God! It's a bag. It is a World Showcase Epcot 35. So it's the 35th anniversary bag. And oh my God! If you can't tell on here, it's navy. Okay, calm down.
Oh my gosh!
We haven't seen it yet. Hold on. Okay, but this is what it looks like. It's
a can of Simon Eyes.
Seriously,
oh,
stop.
Sorry.
Seriously, it's not Christmas time yet. Seriously. Okay, well, just hold on.
I'm telling you.
Just. Okay, so it's nice and roomy inside. Okay, I love this. This may be in my new purse.
Got you guys. The hair is literally standing up on the back of my neck.
Yeah, I'm kind of freaking out a little bit right now.
I'm like, wait till you see.
So this Epcot 35 World Showcase bag retails for $27.99. So that's like $2 away from the perk. Oh, by the way, this Spoonful of Sugar Box is $29.99 with.
I know.
With tax, it comes out to about $40.
Okay, so I'm just gonna go for this one. So
here, should we do it last? We got other stuff in here.
Oh gosh, you're killing me. No, let's
no.
It
is.
All right, so look.
She's gonna freak.
Josie has been saving her allowance.
Oh my God.
Okay, and she has a Buzz Lightyear, and what she says that she wants
for this trip
to buy with her allowance that she has earned is she wants a Jessie, a Woody, and, oh my gosh, can you say a Zurg? Can you believe that? Oh my gosh.
I wonder if they like watch the videos.
Really?
I wonder if they watch the videos.
Maybe, I don't know, but
Does he talk? Does he?
Just wait, baby girl.
Just wait.
So,
oh.
Okay, Mickey's Mystery Box, if you're watching this video, thank you.
Oh
because this is one of the things that our baby girl said she wanted.
Cry.
Really? I can't believe this. This is for... Yes, Josie. Well, just hang on.
Just hold on, baby.
Just hang on. Stop.
Wait.
Stop. Stay there.
We'll tell you when
just stay there. We'll tell you in a minute.
We'll tell you when it's time to come in. Oh
okay, so this is...
Oh my, I'm crying.
I don't even know what to say right now because this is something she's been talking about for months now.
Yeah, ever since the
last trip we went
in January
when she got her Buzz Lightyear. So, oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
So
what's the retail on it so we can know?
Retail on it is
right there.
$32.99. So I don't even know what to say. Mickey's Mystery Box. If you did this on purpose, thank you. Seriously, thank you.
Oh my god.
That's awesome.
Oh my god. I'm
literally the hair is standing up on the back of my neck right now.
I'm
because I knew that's something
look at this.
I knew that's something that she's been wanting. She's been talking about it for months that she was going to go and get with her allowance.
Oh my gosh. Well, that's not all that's in the box.
There's more, but wait, there's
more. Okay, let's see
what else we got.
Okay, we have an Epcot 35. It looks like a
keychain. And a lanyard.
It's like a lanyard.
It's like an ID badge.
ID badge.
Thingy.
Yeah, so you can like clip it on our bag or on our bag or something.
Okay.
The retail on this is $8.99, but you can see the Epcot 35 logo. Oh, there's a little thingy on here. Oh, it's the Epcot symbol. Let's see if we can. There we go.
Very cool.
Yeah, and
love it.
And it's got.
It's like a belt clip, like our keychain clip, so you can carry like your annual pass and maybe a DVC card if you're a DVC member. You could probably carry
really
some cash in there and put it right on your keychain.
Or on your belt loop or
on your belt loop or wherever. So
or on your bag.
Or on a lanyard if you have a lanyard.
Maybe you can use this.
Yeah, maybe
this is awesome.
Cool.
I can't stop crying.
So and then the next thing we have is a Food and Wine Festival.
It's
2018 passport.
See if we
really
can.
cool. See if we can.
Here, you have to. Sometimes you have to. Sometimes here we go.
Focus.
There we go. The purpose of wait.
It's bubble wrap.
No, they did.
They did watch. They set up bubble wrap. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
The last video we were having fun with the bubble wrap. They sent us a roll of bubble wrap. That is awesome.
That is the greatest.
Okay, so now we know. Now we know that you're watching. Thank you so much.
Don't pop it all right now.
I can't help it. It's in my hands. I gotta pop it.
Stop it. Seriously, stop.
Bubble wrap.
So anyway, as I was trying to say, the purpose of this is to go to different stations around the Food and Wine Festival. Like it has the thing about Eat to the Beat concerts.
I think they keep giving us more and more of this stuff too.
I think, yeah. It's make sure there's nothing else in there.
I'm checking.
That has little stickers. Maybe we can give this to Josie and it can be like a little
sticker
journal.
Book or a
like
journal.
A sticker book.
And
there's no cost to it. I think you can just pick it up like when you go do the Food and Wine Festival.
Okay, I don't feel anything else.
Let's triple check. I've opened the flat stuff down here.
Yeah.
I think
as if there wasn't enough already.
My God.
Good Lord.
Okay, so let's review. Bubble wrap. That is the funniest thing.
It's more fun than it should be.
Oh my God. Okay, so
here, pop some. Just pop it before I pop it all. There.
Okay, let me put it in the bag. I'll put it in the box.
She took my bubble wrap.
So we got bubble wrap. We got a passport for Food and Wine Festival.
Check out your bag.
Well, we got the
map for Food and Wine.
We got the
keychain
lanyard
holder thingy.
Yep. We got the Epcot 35 bag. Oh, sorry, baby.
And we should bring Josie in for this.
Okay, Josie, come on in
come
here.
here, baby girl. So, we believe that our friends at Mickey's Mystery Box have been watching.
Yeah.
You want to say hi to them?
Say hi.
Hi.
And we think they sent you something.
What is it?
Are you ready?
That's good, Jess, Mommy. Now I need a Woody and a Jessie.
That's right.
Press him.
What's this?
Press the button.
Press the button.
What's this one?
Is that not so awesome?
It is.
What did we say?
I want to do that.
Wait, Josie,
So what do you say to
what do
Mickey's
you say to
Mystery
Mickey's
Box?
Mystery Box?
Thank you. I want to do that again.
That's awesome.
Oh my gosh,
That's great.
I want to do this again.
One more time.
one more time. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
That's so amazing. I want to put some on my head.
You will put some on your head. Okay, go ahead.
Do I get some on yours?
We got some on
We got
our
some
heads.
on ours.
I need some.
Okay.
You got no. That's perfect, baby.
That's
All
perfect.
right.
Oh, she wants some of... Oh, you took all mine.
What?
Okay.
All right.
So,
Mickey,
Mickey's
seriously.
Mystery Box, thank you so much. Thank you.
Wow. I'm speechless.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Where you got
So-
these?
Okay.
Talk about sprinkling pixie dust on that one.
Big time. Wow. Okay, so, yeah, and she got a Zerg, and you got your bubble wrap.
And you got a bag.
And I got a bag.
That's great.
I hate you.
So Josie, how do we sign off?
Wait.
Well, wait a minute. Well, first of all, you're going to see this on Thursday, which means you'll see the next trip vlog the day before this. We will now be starting. Stop, Josie. We're going to be starting November 2017. Update on that. I could do nothing, Josie. Okay, that's enough.
That's enough.
I could do absolutely nothing about the corrupted card. However, thanks to our dear friend Sarah from Magical Moments, she turned me onto this app because I have a Canon G7X that I use for vlogging, and we have been able to recover most of the videos from the 2 cards that would not load onto the Mac.
So
I was able to get them onto my phone and
so
then
partially saved.
Partially saved.
That's enough, Josie.
I've been able to get most of the videos from one of the cards. Couldn't transfer some of them. I think it's
Josie, I need you to sit
stop,
still,
baby.
please.
I think it's due to size on certain videos.
Okay, but it was saved.
But
Partially saved.
But I still have to go through the second one. But we're gonna have a little bit more of a complete series than we thought.
Partially saved.
Partially saved. So
Thank you, sir.
so anyway, and you'll see the live stream before this goes up. So all
right, Josie.
right, Josie. So how do we sign off?
Well, first, another big thank you to Mickey's Mystery
I
Box.
can't thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah. All right, Josie. So how do we sign off?
Yeah. Peace. Rock. And see that.
That's
That's
right.
right.
Mwah.
See ya.
Bye, guys. We'll see you real soon.